Hi everybody. This video is to help you write the first part of your rationale for Education 295. And of course the very first thing that you need to do is decide what artifact you want to try to connect to a standard. And in this case it's going to be the school case study that was done as part of Educational Foundations. And basically that was the very large project in which you looked at a learning community at a school that you wanted to work at. And you looked at the students, teachers, and parents in the school itself, and then you researched and wrote about it. So to begin, obviously you have to have some sort of connection to a standard, and looking at the new standards, not the old ones, for Hawaii Teacher Standards Boards, I chose leadership and collaboration because the learning community is a collaboration between the different aspects of that learning community to help students learn. So even though I don't know specifically how I'm going to connect it, I know it's going to be about that one. To begin, we want to be very clear about what this assignment is. So I'll go through it step by step and sentence by sentence so you see how it was developed. The artifact that I chose to represent HTSB Standard 10, and notice I put the title in, is my school case study assignment done in my Educational Foundations course at Leeward Community College. Notice that I did not assume that the reader would know I took it at Leeward. I could have taken it at Manoa. I also didn't assume they would know my course, so I just said Educational Foundations, and I included the actual study assignment. So in this way, any reader will have a general idea of where that came from. Then the rest of it is going to be talking about what was the requirements of that assignment. For example, next sentence says, this assignment required me to choose a school that I'd like to work at someday and research 4 aspects of that school learning community: students, teachers, parents, and the school itself. So I've now talked about what I was actually doing in the assignment as part of the requirement. And in this assignment, I was asked to address particular areas of the learning community. Now, we could easily just stop there, but that doesn't give us enough specific information about what was actually done in those particular areas. So it's always good to have a specific example to illustrate what you're saying. For example, in the student section, I had to interpret student demographics and SES data for trends, describe students' social and health challenges, analyze how students have changed over the years, and identify laws that protect students' rights. We could end it there, but we want to talk about the other parts too to see if it was the same or different. I also had to address similar questions for teachers and parents, and then had to examine how the school's mission and culture supports academic standards determined by No Child Left Behind. Then finally, I was asked to present my findings in any type of multimedia format that suited me best, and the school that I chose to research was Kapolei High School. And that's it. That'll tell the reader exactly what the assignment was and what was required.